Here, we have a simple application showing a basic sign-up form. We need to add a visual container around the contents of this form. So let's open up the style sheet for this component. Now, in order to apply styles to the root element of this component, we'll use the host pseudo class. This is how we access the root element for our styles. Now, let's add a border to this element. Okay, let's save and see how it looks. Well, that doesn't look like a border now, does it? Well, this is because since this Angular component uses a custom element, the browser knows nothing about it. This means there's no style information, so it is essentially rendered inline. So let's add display block to the styles and try again. Nice. Now that's looking more like we'd expect, right? Okay, now let's round the corners a little. And let's give it a background color too. Okay, let's see how it looks now. Well, that's definitely looking better now, right? So we can use this host pseudo class to style the root element of our component, but this also means that these styles will always apply when this component is used. This may not be exactly what we want. Like here in our blog, where the form opens within a modal, we don't want the border or the background color here. So how can we handle this? Well, we can actually use a class in conjunction with the host pseudo class. To do this, let's first add a class to the sign-up form element in the homepage component. Let's call it contained. Okay, now back in our style sheet, we just need to add this class selector within parentheses. So now these styles will only apply when this class has been added to the host element. Let's save and check it out. Okay, let's open the modal. Nice. There's no container here now since this instance doesn't have our new contained class. Now let's go back over to the sign-up page. Nice, we still have a container here because we've added the class in this case. So this concept definitely comes in handy in certain situations.